DTS tuned here in my 2004 Lancer Evolution 8 SSL package. Just wanted to go ahead and fine-tune some launch control or rev limiter for stationary, since we're stuck in this quarantine or stay-at-home shenanigans. Quick rundown: the factory limiter is pretty basic. If you have the Chrome mod on your Jester, Clone, or whatever ECU on your 3S, you're probably used to seeing some options such as this or these. I have it modestly set for example. There. Now, it may or may not build some boosts, probably a couple pounds, which is what it's intended to do, keep it safer. However, there are better ways to create the desired result and effect, which I will do afterward. But as a baseline, I wanted to show how much these basic settings will produce with a max ignition timing pool of negative 10.4 degrees and a modest 3,500 RPM. Engine's still warming up, so once that's properly warmed up, go from there. Let's see. Warmed up to operating temperature. Let's see what that basic setting does. So looks like about 10. I think we can do better. So here is a result from the basic rev limiter for stationary. Held it at about a third throttle just for testing. As you can see, with the O2 sensor right here, it is a fuel cut. You can also see it here with the pulse. And see that timing is still advanced. And if you look at my Omni 4-bar map sensor, due to the Tephra version 7 speed density ROM, didn't really build shit for boost. So definitely room for improvement. I mean, fuck, it only hit 70 load, which isn't shit. About 300 hertz. Let's see what I can do in ECU flash. So in the Tephra version 7 ROM, ECU flash, first thing I did was enable the launch maps. Same process that I did on Ben's 2006 EVO IX GSR like 5-6 years ago. Have my fuel map and ignition map going to target the load that we hit, and a little bit more since I anticipate building some actual boost with some more action going on at the turbine manifold. Add more fuel, pull more timing, and find the right balance. Not going to be as aggressive as the AEM drag anti-lag system, but it is going to be very similar. Obviously not going for that extremity. All right, All set to go. All done. And let's see what we build now. Moment of truth. Operating temp. Whew, scary. Actually built a little boost. Not trying to get crazy and aggressive, but did its job so far. So as you can see here, reviewing the data, it's a mild success. Timing was pulled. Now at about 120, 130 load, which you can see in the 2-byte, and built approximately 1.5, almost 2 psi. Again, this is very conservative for demonstrative purposes. Ideally, you just need to raise the limiter if I want to, and get more aggressive with it until I reach 10 psi, 1 bar perhaps. I'm not trying to piss off my neighbors, and even though I know it can hook, I know that there are other areas that would need strengthening or upgrading to reliably hold it and be durable. So that concludes the demonstration.